And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe on the go.
You're so excited this morning, Jennifer. Why? What are we doing now?
Well, we're back at the Boardwalk and we are going to Trattoria al Forno for breakfast. We haven't been here in a hot minute.
So have you noticed that on this trip we've done heavy Swan, heavy Boardwalk?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been here a lot.
Yeah.
And it's kind of ironic that they've got the Major League Baseball draft is happening over the last couple of days. Go White Sox! I got the #1 draft pick.
Yay! Go Sox!
Or the #1 pick during the draft. But yeah, it's just kind of interesting that all that is going on here, and we haven't seen anything other than what we saw on TV. But we couldn't find where they were. Probably in some conference area upstairs somewhere in one of the buildings. But anyway, so yes, we are here having a good time.
It is our last
breakfast.
Disney meal of the trip.
Yeah, so we're going to Trattoria. And I don't know about you, but I'm hungry.
I'm starving.
Again. But, you know, I mean, it's almost 10:30, so it's time to eat. You ready?
I agree.
Let's go. Can you see the steam? Joffrey's coffee, that is really good. I just got a regular coffee, but you got a vanilla mocha or just vanilla latte?
Vanilla latte.
Vanilla latte. Yeah, that's good. I like it. I like it. All right.
So delicious.
You're just about ready? You know what you want to eat?
I do.
What are you going to get?
I think I'm going to get the 2 eggs your way.
Sounds good. That's simple.
Yeah.
And it comes with
the potatoes,
bacon, sausage, but you're going to skip the sausage?
Yes.
I know you. I'm going to do the Al Forno eggs, which is brick oven roasted cage-free eggs, polenta, fennel sausage spiced, tomato sauce, and country bread. I've had that before here. I remember it being fantastic. So I can't remember the last time we were here or the last time I had it, but I do recall it was very good. I really liked it. So it's on the menu for me today, kids.
Remember when Trattoria al Forno used to be a character meal?
Yes. We met Rapunzel and Flynn and Ariel and Eric. Yes. Yeah.
I miss those days.
Yeah, it was kind of nice, actually.
That was like a pre-COVID thing.
Yes, it was.
They never brought back.
Yeah, it was one of the other things that they never brought back. But that's okay. It makes it for just a quieter, calmer experience.
I mean, yeah, that's true. And I'm all for that.
Yeah, character meals are a little more hectic. You know, part of it could be just the space in here. It is a little tighter with the tables, so it's a little maybe harder for the characters to get around. But
I believe it's the same layout that it was when they had the characters.
Right, yeah, so maybe they didn't bring it back because it was a little too, I don't know, uncomfortable? Who knows? I can't imagine it being a money thing, you know, because they do character meals all over the place. So I think it might have just been the logistics of doing it in this space. But I'm guessing, I don't know. But either way, it was a good memory when we had it. And good food here, I think most every time. I don't think we've had any issues or problems here
food's
before.
Always been good. Service has been sketchy at times.
Yes, I agree. Yeah, I do remember a couple
but
times.
So far, so good.
So far, he's all right. Yep. No complaints so far. So, you okay there?
Yes.
All right. Just got to make sure you're not dying.
Nope.
Are you dying?
Nope. But you know what I thought of?
What?
What was one thing we had planned on buying that we did not this trip? Oh, and I didn't put on my earrings.
Oh no.
Damn it.
What were we supposed to buy on this trip?
I'll give you a hint.
Joffrey's coffee?
Yep.
Well, we're going to Tampa. We're going to St. Pete.
They won't have the same flavors that they do here.
And how many times were we at Disney Springs the last few days?
5,763 times.
Yeah. Disney Springs, Boardwalk, Swan. There's basically, we've been in this whole area here quite a bit.
Do you think we could run in there real fast? We don't have any specific time we have to be in St. Pete.
You can do whatever you want, dear.
Oh, see, you know just the right thing to say.
Of course. I've learned. Gee, Jen, do you want some bacon with your breakfast?
I didn't even have to ask, and our server said extra crispy bacon.
Yep.
Like he read my mind.
Like you read your mind. Well, you didn't want the sausage. It normally comes with bacon and sausage, and
Yes.
instead you got double bacon.
I'm just not a sausage eater.
Yeah. Oh, that does look good.
Yeah,
Crispy.
that's just how I like it.
You're not going to eat. I know. Look at that.
Catch up for those breakfast potatoes?
No, thank you.
Okay. I'll stop that.
That's good.
Yes, I haven't even tried it yet. We're doing, the
That's
whole.
the best thing on the menu. Right
Yeah, I know.
Thank you.
Yeah. Like I said, I've had it before. I remember. It's really good. Thank you very much, Mitch. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
So bacon's good?
Yeah.
I'm going to borrow one. Can I borrow
You can have a
one?
whole piece.
Just a bite?
Have a whole piece.
Oh, yeah, it's really good.
I don't understand how people can eat floppy bacon. Nope.
Yeah,
Has to be crispy.
and real bacon, not microwavable. All right, mine is the eggs with the tomato sauce. So 3 eggs in here, the tomato sauce, the bread. Like I said, I've had this before. It's really very, very good. I'm hungry. I'm digging in. Do I have food in my face?
I don't think so.
So, what do you think of your breakfast?
Wow, that was really good. Food
Yeah.
was fresh, hot, and delicious, crispy bacon. Egg was perfectly over easy. I have no complaints.
Yeah, and mine gets baked in the oven in the actual dish that it's served in, this metal dish, and it had 3 eggs, the tomato sauce, there's polenta at the bottom, and then the spicy sausage.
Sure.
So I think the sausage was spicy enough where it added extra flavor. They had polenta instead of potatoes, which mixed in there really, really well. And it was a really good amount. I mean, I'm full. So it was good. It was very good.
You know, I know we're all in a hurry to get to the parks and we can't wait to get our day started, but sometimes it's just so nice to sit down at a table service restaurant and have a full breakfast before you hit the parks. You're on vacation. You should luxuriate. You should take time out of your day to just relax and enjoy and not just be all into the hustle and bustle of the parks.
You always like having a really good breakfast on vacation.
I do.
Yeah.
I do. I just think for me it's a treat.
Yeah.
Because, you know, at home being so busy cleaning and working and, you know, getting things done during the day, it's the easiest meal to skip and just like grab a protein shake or, you know, a banana and be like, okay, I'm good till lunch.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I don't know, I just really like it and I think you guys should take it into consideration. Let us know in the comments below. Do you like to take time on your Disney vacations, have a nice sit-down breakfast, or are you like, I need to just grab something and go? Let us know.
Yeah. I'm more of a grab something and go, and I don't even eat until I get to work. So yeah, I never have a good, really good breakfast myself. So it is nice to do that here.
And Mitch was our server and he was great.
Yeah, absolutely. Really, very, very nice. So another really good meal.
I know.
Yeah.
The food this whole trip has been great. Can't we just share all the videos with you guys?
Yeah, it's actually been really, really good. So yeah.
All right, so don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Jill on the go action because unfortunately we're leaving Disney. But we do have a couple more stops before we leave the Disney bubble. And then we're on to St. Pete, so we hope that you will join us there too. We have a lot planned, a lot we'd like to show you. Don't forget to hit the bell, give us a like. It really helps the algorithm and pushes our videos out there so more people can see them and we can provide more content for you.
Yes. Okay.
All right, have a great day and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. We spent $46.77 at Trattoria al Forno for breakfast at the Boardwalk Resort, and this is what we got.